catch the vibe. Let's begin. Book 1, lesson 2, we're gonna win. 생활용품, 생활용품. Daily items for you. Grab the key, Yeol-soe. Yeol-soe. Open the door. Passport, Yeo-gwon. Yeo-gwon. Let's travel more. Under the umbrella, 우산. 우산. Stay in the dry. Look in the mirror, go. Geo. And say hi. Carry your bag, 가방. Wherever you go, keep your wallet, 지갑. Just so you know. Comb your hair with pip. Looking so fine. Put on 화장품. Watch your skin shine. Dry with a towel, 수건. After you bath, shave with 면도기. On the right path. Use some tissue, Hygiene. Keep it all clean. The best student that the world has seen. This is I-geot, I-geot. That is Jeo-geot, Jeo-geot. That one is Geu-geot, Geu-geot. Simple and hard. What is it? Mo-yeol. Ask the right way. Learning Korean every single day. Spread the blanket, 이불. Time to sleep tight. Pillow, 베개. For a wonderful night. Grab the soap, 비누. Wash away the day. Toothpaste, 치약. In the morning they say. Brush with toothbrush, sword. Keep them pearly white. Everything's easy. Everything's right. Family photo, 가족 사진. On the wall. Shampoo. We've got it.